Good morning, students. In class 8, we started a new topic earlier, punctuation and capital letters. So basically, I taught you 10 types of punctuation, just like full stop, interrogation, mark of interrogation, mark of exclamation, comma, semicolon, colon, apostrophe, quotation, marks or inverted commas, dash or hyphen. And we have discussed full stop and mark of interrogation in previous lecture. Today we will start with mark of exclamation and exercise A. So earlier I taught you in full stop. Basically it is used to close a statement or a command. Fine. Secondly, we use full stop with abbreviations for titles of any post, names or degree. And third, we use full stop to indicate the decimal fraction. I taught you also. And in the cases of interrogation, the mark of interrogation is placed at the end of question mark. Fine. Today, mark of exclamation. The mark of exclamation, that is exclamatory mark, also we call it. So the mark of exclamation is placed at the end of exclamatory sentences, that is a sentence which expresses some sudden or strong emotion. Fine. Just like alas, hooray, जो हमने एक्टिव रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में हमने डिस्कस किया था, alas, hooray, like this. And basically it's a part of sentence formation in which you express some sudden and strong emotion, just like how kind of you. Fine. Help. Fine. Next, what a great, you can call what a pleasant surprise. Fine. Oh, alas. Fine. Hooray. These are our exclamatory sentences formation in which you express sudden or basically strong emotion type of things. Fine. तो एंड इस एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क से इसमें होता है so now in exercise A, place a full stop, mark of interrogation, mark of exclamation wherever necessary. Okay, first one, exercise A on page number 138. Stay in this room till I come back. Everything is right, but we did not have full stop. So we will write stay in this room till I come back. Are there any more files to be checked? Helping verb are hai, that means we require interrogative sign. So are there any more files are there any more files to be checked? Third, how handsome Doctor, abbreviation. AK, also part of abbreviation. So how handsome? Doctor, these are full stop sign. AK Singh, AK Singh looked in those days. Fourth, we will end with interrogative sign also. Have you met Dr. M.K. Gupta, MA, PhD, the head of English department? So, in this case, have you met? यहाँ तक लिखते हैं पहले. Doctor, full stop. As you know, abbreviation case is M.K. Gupta. M.K. Gupta, MA, PhD, the head of English department. So have you met Doctor में full stop M dot K full stop ना Gupta MA PhD the head of English department. तो यहाँ पे full stops का use करना है and finally full stop full stop full stop and finally you have to end with question mark. We need an MA. Comma B.Ed. To teach English to higher classes. Six. You are angry with me, aren't you? You are angry with me, aren't you? That means in question mark form. 7. Please don't purchase anything expensive for my birthday. Everything is clearly fine but and is required with full stop. Please don't purchase anything expensive for my birthday. How terrible it must have been for them. How terrible it must have been for them. So एक्सरसाइज ए की फर्स्ट पार्ट में वी जस्ट रिक्वायर्ड फुल स्टॉप, स्टे इन दिस रूम टिल आई कम बैक, स्टे इन दिस रूम टिल आई कम बैक, फुल स्टॉप वाज रिक्वायर्ड. Are there any more files to be checked? Are is given, helping verb is given, so it will end with question mark. So are there any more files to be checked? Are there any more files to be checked? How handsome Dr. AK. Doctor basically full stop is required and abbreviations के लिए AK. Saying looked in those days. That means question mark was also required. Fourth, have you met Dr. M.K. Gupta? M.K. abbreviation part, M.A. PhD, the head of English department. It should end with question mark because it's an interrogative formation. Has have, do does, ये अगर sentences में बाहर है, has, is MR, has have, was were, do does, had, it indicates interrogative formation. We need an MA, B.Ed to teach English to higher classes. So MA के लिए use किया हमने, and finally to B.Ed, B.Ed to teach English to higher classes. You are angry with me, aren't you? That means interrogative formation. तो यहाँ पे question mark हमने use किया इसमें. Please don't purchase anything expensive for my birthday. It should end with full stop. तो full stop यहाँ पे use हुआ. And finally, how terrible it must have been for them. That was a sign of exclamatory, so ended with exclamatory sign. So basically, it was exercise A of topic of punctuation and capital letters. So in upcoming lecture, we will continue the exercise. Thank you so much.